can't stop chemtrailing us. And over there in the distance. Off into the distance. You see it? Right across the daggum sky. Chemtrails. Oh well. Try to enjoy the night. The dogs in the neighborhood, they smell my chicken on the grill and it's driving them crazy. My dog knows he'll probably get some. Yeah, I better get it out before I burn it. Okay, bye.